How to activate ATM or debit card using digibank mobile for DBS Bank. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first step, what you have to do is install this digibank by DBS. Once you have installed this, make sure you already have activated your mobile banking. Log into your account, and on the bottom right corner you will see more option. Tap on it, and then there you will see the option called activate cards. And simply tap on it. Tap on activate ATM or debit card. There will also be an option called activate credit card. Select the card you want to activate and then tap on bank card. Simply provide the necessary details that they ask you and tap on activate card and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.